Imagine being an international student in the United States. Your F-1 visa is suddenly revoked, then restored, and your OPT plans hang in the balance. That is exactly what happened in a case that's raising alarm across campus communities. The story: a student had his F-1 visa stamped revoked in April 2025 after a traffic speeding incident from January. His SEVIS record was terminated too. But his university helped restore his SEVIS status, so inside the US he became lawful again. The problem is the visa stamp remains revoked, meaning he cannot travel abroad and re-enter. He hopes to graduate in May 2026 and apply for OPT and STEM extension, but his path now holds serious risk. This case highlights a much larger concern. Under the Trump era, and now continuing, visa revocations are becoming more common even when the technical status is restored. Many students believe that an active F-1 status guarantees eligibility for OPT, but immigration lawyers say that status and travel rights are separate. The visa stamp matters when you try to leave and return. The message is clear: international students cannot assume that everything is safe just because their SEVIS is active. If travel, job plans, or OPT are part of your future, you need to check both visa stamp validity and SEVIS status, understand risks of revocation, and have a contingency strategy. If you are an Indian student or from any country in the US on F-1 now, this story matters to you. Stay alert, prepare ahead, and don't wait until the crisis hits.